5 reasons why you should consider getting the DSLR if you're a YouTuber, vlogger, content creator, or even a photographer. But before we start, if we're just meeting, my name is Ahmed Hanafi. Coming up.
Our today's product is Canon 250D DSLR camera, also known in some markets by Rebel SL3. This highly portable DSLR is a great option for stepping up your photography from smartphone or even compact cameras. But why is this camera considered one of the best options for YouTubers, vloggers, or even some professional photographers? Let's find out. The first reason here is the battery life. The 250D able to take over 1000 photos on a single battery. So the battery life here is so generous. With a 140 mAh LPE17 battery, you will never be worried, and it will be a convenient option for your trips and vlogs. So you'll never run out of battery with the 250D. The second reason here is the flip out screen. With over 1 million screen, that makes it ideal for shooting from low angles or from high angles as well, or fully flopping over it for your vlogging on the go. And you can fully control this camera from that touch screen. The third reason here is the dual pixel autofocus. This is a sensor-based face detection eye tracking autofocus technology designed to provide a smooth exposition in shooting in live view mode. Give your videos that blurry background and professional look while shooting videos or photos. Reason number 4, the lightweight. The world's lightest DSLR with 449 grams, including battery and memory card, makes it really convenient to bring with you in your travels. And that weight makes it an excellent choice for vlogging with a grip, make it easier to hold even without a tripod. The fifth reason here is the value for money. The 250D provides really great value for its price, as it will cost you only around $500 if you're in US, or equivalent around 2,000 dirhams if you're in Gulf area. So it's a good deal. Last but not least, and to wrap up, the EOS 250D or Rebel SL3 is a great option for you if you're a vlogger or photographer, want to take professional photos or videos for your family and friends. So you can consider it a mid-range professional DSLR with a crop frame sensor camera, but still provide great value for its money.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.